Here is my LinkedIn profile. When you go to click View Profile, here is my picture. Underneath my name is my title of my current position, which will need to be updated as I get new jobs. Over here you can see some of my previous connections to organizations. "42 people have viewed my profile, 8 search appearances. I have 139 followers and some activity that you can see. Here's my experience. Internship at Kokosing Industrial, graduate assistant at Franklin University. Both those things are coming to a close. Bartender at Longhorn Steakhouse for 13 years. Substitute teacher. All my prior education and current. My master's degree will be wrapping up here in 2 weeks. Volunteer experience. Skills and endorsements. Recommendations. Accomplishments. I've listed all my courses under accomplishments. Instructional design certificate, all my interests and groups that I follow and keep up with. So that is my LinkedIn profile. Then we can go to my website, amytope.wordpress.com. This is my home page. And you can see under About, I have a little segment about myself. I've been in the field of education for over 5 years and recently completed a Master of Science in Instructional Design. I'll graduate in 2 weeks. Through instructional design, I systematically deliver the best learning experiences based on a needs analysis. Technology and multimedia enhance these learning experiences as well as make them more fun and interesting. I have a lifelong commitment and passion for learning that I hope to spread into the world. So that's just a little blurb about myself. Here are other ways to contact me: an email. Anyone can write comments down here and leave their contact information. I do have a blog. This is the introductory image to my e-learning course, which I'll show you here in a minute. This is a blog that was published by Franklin University called Looking Back, Looking Forward, Instructional Design Reflections. It's an interview with me and a senior colleague, instructional designer. We asked each other a set of questions. If anybody would like to go to my site and read that. Under portfolio, during my employment at Kokosing Industrial, I created a training course called Progress Photos. You may click on any of these links to see the work. So I will show you an example. My course was broken into 3 episodes. So episode 1, Okay, here's the objectives for the course. So this is just kind of showcasing the e-learning development that I've done. So you can go back through and click on any of these 3 episodes, and the more I complete work, I will add to my website to show you guys. So yeah, I think that's my LinkedIn profile. I have a pretty decent network. I'm still trying to build that up. Here are job searches. Yep, so those are my LinkedIn profile and my website showcasing my work. Thank you for watching.